During the course, we were able to go over patient evaluation, looking at different harvest techniques, looking at the donor areas, causes, different type of hair types, and then going through the extraction, going through the analysis of the hair follicles, and then the implantation. Was hands-on, side by side, along with Dr. Arslan as he performed the different procedures. We were able to look at the post-operative care in terms of the hair washing and analysis afterwards. That was a very good learning experience and very different, very patient sort of variations. And with Dr. Arslan, he does a lot of the procedure himself. You don't really get that in a lot of different other areas and clinics, even in Istanbul, Turkey here. But he does the extraction and he does the channel making. He was able to clearly explain to me his thought process, his technique, and it was a great learning experience. His technologists were great, they were very experienced. The workflow was seamless, and I think that all leads to an excellent outpatient patient result. So I'm very pleased with my experience here, and every patient that I ran into, I was pleased with their experience also with Dr. Arslan and the hair transplant restoration course here in Istanbul, Turkey.